Whether you call this a bollard or a post, why paint it? Our postcard covers make them look great since they come in so many colors and sizes. And they're so easy to install. Let me show you. Every postcard cover comes with 2 strips of this nice foam. But whatever you do, don't eat the foam. It doesn't taste good. Unless you have it with some wine and cheese. Really? Like, this is absurd. But seriously, all you need to do is take the 2 foam strips and center them over the top of the bollard in a crisscross fashion, just like this. Then take the postcard cover and slide it over the top of the bollard for a snug and secure fit. That's not going anywhere. The beauty is the installation process is clean and simple. No adhesives, no tools, no sticky things. If the postcard cover is way bigger than the bollard, just double up on the foam. If you're wondering what size postcard cover to use, just measure over the top of the bollard. But if it's overfilled with cement like this one, measure around the bollard and call us. You can always click on postguard.com and check out the sizing chart. And while you're there, take a look at all of our other cool property protection products.